Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope all of you are doing well at home. Okay, so let's take a look at page 148 of your textbook reading skill. Okay, question 1. Do you recognize the logos? Match them to the organization. So, number 1, WWF. Okay, uh, World Life Wildlife World Federation. Okay. Number 2, UNICEF. And number 3, Doctors Without Borders. Okay. Next one. How do charities survive? Make a list of ways in which people can help charities. Suggested answers. Okay, we can donate money, we can volunteer, we can organize fundraising events, and we can spread we can spread the word. Boleh menyebarkan. Okay. Number 3, read the article quickly. Which charities help people and which help nature and wildlife? So the title of the reading text is Kids with a Conscience. Kanak-kanak yang ada kesedaran, keprihatinan. Okay. So let's take a look at this text. Okay, very briefly. What do you do in your spare time? Have you ever considered using it to improve the life of others? These children did read their stories, and perhaps you too can be inspired to lend a hand. So you are going to read a story about how children can help people around them and improve the life of others. Paragraph 1. When 5-year-old Canadian Hannah Taylor saw a homeless man, lelaki tidak berumah, eating out of a rubbish bin, makan dari tong sampah, she was shocked and saddened. Terkejut dan sedih. As a young child from a loving and comfortable home, she was unaware that homelessness existed. Gelandangan wujud. She never forgot the image of that man, and so a few years later, Hannah founded means menubuhkan the Ladybug Foundation. Foundation means yayasan, a charity kebajikan for the homeless. She chose the ladybug because the insect represent wakili good luck, which is something she believed the homeless need. So gelandangan memerlukan tuah. She began by painting empty baby food jars. Jars mean bekas makanan bayi yang kosong, like ladybugs, and asking businesses in her town to put small change in them. Letak tabung yang ada logo ladybug, okay, di kedai-kedai, di bandar tempat tinggalnya. By the age of 10, she had raised more than $500,000. Sehingga umur dia 10 tahun, dia telah memungut $500,000. Okay. Now, a young adult, Hannah has spoken out for the homeless across Canada to hundreds of schools and organizations. Through these and other efforts mean usaha, over $2 million have been raised to provide not only shelter, bukan sahaja tempat tinggal, but food, two basic human rights for the homeless. Dua benda asas penting untuk hak untuk hidup kepada gelandangan, rumah dan tempat tinggal. Okay, meanwhile, Janine Leake and Aislinn Livingstone were just 9 years old in 1999 when they saw the rainforest disappearing, hutan hujan tropika pupus, from their beloved home in Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica, due to the development of roads and buildings in the area, kerana pembinaan jalan dan bangunan di tempat mereka. Okay, they witnessed the negative impact of this and on the animals, particularly the monotiti, a squirrel monkeys. Monyet seperti tupai. Okay, small monkeys. Okay, they look cute. The main cause of death for these monkeys is electrocution from the electrical cable. Banyak monyet mati terkena rejatan elektrik dari kabel elektrik or being hit by cars while crossing these new roads, ataupun semasa melintas jalan baru. This put the species in danger, dalam bahaya, and inspired, menyedarkan the girls to establish, menubuhkan Kids Saving the Rainforest, kanak-kanak menyelamatkan hutan hujan tropika, a non-profit organisation NGO to save the local rainforest and endangered wildlife. Endangered wildlife, hidupan terancam, spesies terancam. KSTR has grown steadily, telah berkembang dengan pesat. One of its objectives has been to create monkey bridges throughout the area. Mereka membina jambatan monyet di sepanjang kawasan mereka. Okay? These are thick ropes. Ia adalah tali yang tebal besar that help the monkeys cross areas where there are now roads or electrical and phone cables, di mana monyet boleh bergayut kepada tali tebal itu untuk melintas jalan, kabel elektrik dan kabel telefon, or where there aren't enough trees for the monkeys to pass through, ataupun di tempat yang tidak cukup pokok-pokok untuk monyet-monyet itu bergerak. There are currently 130 such bridges which in combination with other measures have saved the life of many monkeys. Ada 130 jambatan yang telah dibina untuk menyelamatkan monyet-monyet ini. Okay, next paragraph. Okay, the next NGO. Merry Meals is an extraordinary, lain pada yang lain, extraordinary, lain pada yang lain, charity, kebajikan that has introduced school meals program for hungry children in countries across Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, Eastern Europe and South America. Satu pusat kebajikan yang memberikan makanan untuk kanak-kanak yang lapar di negara-negara berkenaan. There, many children do not attend school. Kanak-kanak tak pergi sekolah. To encourage them to get an education, the charity provides free healthy daily meals at school. Jadi pertubuhan ini memberikan makanan percuma kepada anak-anak di sekolah. Education is important because it can lift them out of poverty. Pendidikan penting kerana ia boleh mengeluarkan mereka dari kemiskinan by helping them to get good job, membantu mereka mendapatkan kerja yang baik, which benefit the whole community, dan akhirnya memberi faedah kepada keseluruhan masyarakat. Next paragraph. 9-year-old Mata Payne from the UK had a blog. Dia ada blog ni, Mata ni, about her own school dinners and whether they were healthy or not. Blog tentang dinner di sekolahnya dan sama ada makanan itu sihat ataupun tidak. Some people pointed out on her blog that she was fortunate to get a meal of any kind at school when so many children were starving. Ada orang kata dia bertuah untuk mendapat makanan di sekolahnya, tetapi di mana masih ramai lagi kanak-kanak yang kebeluran di luar sana. Realizing the truth of this, menyedari kebenaran ini, Martha got involved by raising money for Merry Meals. Dia terlibat dalam menambahkan dana untuk Merry Meals and encourage her blog readers to donate, dan menggalakkan pembaca blognya untuk menyumbang, menderma. She has raised over 130,000 pounds, 130,000 pounds sterling for the charity. Visited Merry Meals in Malawi, melawat pejabat Merry Meals di Malawi, Afrika, and herself became, dia sendiri menjadi tontonan dari dalam satu rencana dokumentari BBC. The charity now feeds more than 750,000 children every school day, and it costs only £10.70 to feed a child for a year. Tak banyak, 10 pound saja untuk seorang kanak-kanak makan sepanjang tahun. There are kids making a difference in the world. If you are lucky enough as a teenager to have money and time, then why not use them to do something constructive? Jadi anda sebagai remaja patut juga membuat satu perkara yang berguna. Okay, now the questions. Okay, so there are tasks 4, for task 4, there are 6 objective questions. You have to answer all, choose the best answer, okay? And task number 5, complete the sentence with the words, with the correct form of this word. Okay, so there are 6 questions and 6 words, but you cannot simply fill in the blank with the given words. You have to change the form of the words. Kena tukar dia punya apa tu, bentuk perkataan ni. Okay. For example, okay, I give you the meaning of these words first. Aware, sedar, day, hari. Homeless, tidak berumah. Object means bangkang. Organize, anjurkan. Sad, sedih. Okay, first of all, you need to insert the words in the correct blank. Then you need to change the word form. Mula sekali isikan tempat kosong dengan perkataan yang diberikan. Lepas itu tukar bentuk perkataan tadi supaya betul sesuai dengan ayat. Okay, for example, number 2. I'm so sorry. Saya minta maaf. I was of the problems. Masalah yang kamu sedang hadapi. What is the correct words that you can fit in the blank? Okay, is it aware? So if it is aware, I was aware. So aware only is wrong, is not complete. So you have to change the form of aware to unaware. Tak sedar. Aware means sedar. I'm sorry, saya minta maaf. I was unaware of the problems you were facing. Saya tak sedar, tak khabar tentang masalah yang anda hadapi. Unaware. U-N-A-W-A-R-E. Same goes for the other questions. You have to change the form of the words given to make them suit the sentences supaya mereka ni sesuai, boleh masuk ke dalam ayat yang diberikan. So I think that's all for now. Have a nice day and enjoy your holiday next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.